Receiving money on Kraken is a straightforward process that involves a few key steps. This guide will walk you through the necessary actions to successfully receive funds on your Kraken account. Step 1. Create or log into your Kraken account. To begin, visit the Kraken website and either create a new account or log into your existing account. Ensure that you have completed any required verification processes to enable funding options. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Once logged in, go to the funding tab located in the main menu. This section will provide you with options for depositing and withdrawing funds. Step 3. Select your deposit method. In the funding section, choose the deposit option. You will see a list of available deposit methods such as bank transfer, cryptocurrency deposit, or other payment options. Select the method that suits you best. Step 4. Follow the instructions for your chosen method. After selecting your deposit method, follow the on-screen instructions provided by Kraken. This may involve entering your bank details, generating a deposit address for cryptocurrency, or completing any necessary forms. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, you should successfully receive money into your Kraken account. Always make sure to check your account balance and transaction history to confirm the deposit.